everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the second part of dancing rhythm. The first beat is the same as the previous one, bass tom tom tom, bass bass. Now let's try it once on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat will be slap slap, bass slap slap slap. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the second part of dancing rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.